For 10mm gas springs with M6x1 thread. Disconnectable by the quick release lever. Can be used with RVs, boats, home, and auto. 10mm gas spring plastic quick release end fittings by Hatchlift Products comes with 4 10mm quick release end fittings having a M6x1 thread. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for my Undercover Flex truck cover. It was perfect fit, bonus you get QTY of 4. My Undercover Flex has the 2 non-gas struts to hold up the cover. They just unscrew from the end of the strut and screw the new ones on. Thanks.